Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or disable blood and gore on the Half Sword game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Half Sword game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to turn off blood and gore, then go ahead and click on settings. Now from the settings page, click on game option at the left side, and now you will see various different options including the gore tab at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can choose from the various different presets such as the gentle, gruesome, or grotesque. You can also use the slider to manually define the level of blood and gore. Move it all the way to the left to turn it off completely, and based on your desired level, you can set this to the various different ranges. Once you are done, just go back and your changes will be saved. You can come back to this menu at any point of time by following the same steps to change your settings in the future once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable blood and gore on the Half Sword game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.